We just got back from 8 days on Oahu and it was awesome. And we were staying at one of my favorite, best value hotels. So in this video, we wanted to share with you some of our favorite best value hotels that you'll find in Waikiki.
Hi, I'm Jordan.
And I'm Erica.
And this is the Hawaii Vacation Guide.
Okay, a trip to Hawaii is never cheap. And we've done a video on our favorite family-friendly hotels on Oahu, and we think those are the most awesome family-friendly hotels.
We just got a few comments that they are very expensive.
Because they are.
Yes.
So we wanted to go explore some of the more value hotels. These aren't budget by any means. These are not big resorts. They are nice, well-priced, good value hotels that everyone will
And these
love.
are hotels, they're not resorts. And these aren't right on the strip, they're not right on the beach. But Waikiki is only 3 blocks deep. So it's not bad. So if you're the farthest away you can be from the beach, you're still only a 5-minute walk, max.
Yeah.
So that's why these are great. And these are really cool hotels. They're 3-star, they're boutique, they're freshly remodeled, a lot of them are. So this is really cool hip places.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away.
We have just spent the last week staying at the Queen Kapiolani Hotel and we absolutely loved it. So this is at the southernmost end of Waikiki. You're right by the zoo, but it's such a quick, easy walk to literally everything you want. It's such a prime, ideal location. It's not too busy, it's not too crowded. The hotel comes at a great price, especially considering it was just renovated, I think, 2 years ago. The rooms are great, wonderful size. We really love kind of the interior decor of the lobby. Everyone has been so super friendly. And Henry has absolutely loved the pool area. It's up on a deck, so it's on the 3rd floor. Whoa! And Jordan's favorite part about this hotel is the views of Diamond Head. Love it over here. This hotel is such a great option for families or anyone with slightly more budget-minded because you can find some good deals here.
The Lelo Autograph Collection is right off Kuhio, this street right here. So it's just a block off the main drag, which is kind of nice. You get more local shops and cheap eats and things like that, and it's still just a walk to the beach, a 1 block walk to the beach.
All right, guys, I am here at the Lelo in Waikiki, and if I had to pick a hotel that I just think has the best decor, this place would be it. It's very kind of mid-century modern surfer, so if that's your vibe, this place delivers for sure. This is just kind of a block off from the main Waikiki action, which is nice because it's a little quieter, but you also are just, 1 block walk into the center of everything. You also have some awesome restaurants just right across the street, right down this street here. It's an awesome hotel. You're not going to get a big resort pool here or with any of these hotels that we're mentioning, but the pool is great, the vibe is great, you're super close to the beach, and I truly love this hotel. I think it's just spectacular. I should also mention that here you have the Hideout and the Hideout coffee shop, so there is still plenty to do in your own hotel. Just like the Queen Kapiolani has the deck, this place has their own restaurant, bar, vibe going on, so you have plenty to do right here in this hotel too. I'm here at the Surf Jack Waikiki, another really cute, really well redone hotel. It's a small boutique hotel, as you will see. It has, just like the Lelo and the Queen Kapiolani, it has very cool, hip, modern furniture. It has great service, has a pool. It's a smaller pool. With this one, you are just a little bit further away from the main strip in Waikiki than the Lelo, but it's a really nice, quiet location. Again, Waikiki is so small depth-wise that you're only just, a couple blocks to Waikiki Beach, and it's really a nice walk. This is such a good value, hip, chic hotel. We really like it.
If you're looking at these boutique hotels, right, and you're thinking they're too far away from the beach, just remember you can hop on a Bicky bike and you're gonna be there in seconds. No big deal. These Bicky bikes are literally everywhere in Waikiki. So easy to spot, and they're all over Honolulu. So this list is a few of our favorite hotels that have a really good value in Waikiki, but don't be held back by this list. There are a lot more. Like even like this one, the Coconut Waikiki, they've just recently renovated. It's a cute little boutique hotel. It's right on the Alawai Canal, so you get a nice view, and still, once again, you're just like 3 blocks from the Waikiki Beach. So, you know, look around, see what kind of good values you can find.
And I feel like no video would be complete without mentioning the Outrigger chain of hotels. So these are really at the higher price point than all the other hotels that we've mentioned, but I feel like they just consistently provide some really good deals if you plan your trip right and look for those deals. They also deliver like very consistent value, and they have more of a resort feel than the other like smaller boutique hotels, right? You're right on the beach in Waikiki. You have a pool that's right on the beach as well. Also in this one, the Outrigger Waikiki, you have Duke's and Hula Grill, which is always a good time. So these have to be on the list because we do enjoy staying at them, and you can generally find pretty good deals. Check out the reviews before you book. We have had wonderful experiences, but you may be looking for something specific, so make sure you do that research to make sure it has exactly what you want.
The main thing is kind of like just look off the beach. You can find some really good 3-star hotels. Good values out there. So have a wonderful trip to Oahu. Thank you so much for watching. Go check out our website, thewaivacationguide.com, for a bunch of free itineraries, especially on Oahu. Things to do around Waikiki. You can find everything on our website.
And if you want some really detailed itineraries, head to thewaivacationguide.com/Oahu for those itineraries to help you plan your perfect trip to Oahu.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks.